Welcome back, guys. This is question 5.47, and the statement of this question is: a government task force suspects that some manufacturing companies are in violation of federal pollution regulations with regard to dumping a certain type of product. 20 firms are under suspicion. Okay, so let me take this 20 number, but not all can be inspected. Suppose that 3 of the firms are in violation. Okay, so in given data, let me write here the capital N equal to 20 and the suspected number of firms which are out of these 20 are basically 3 are suspected. Let me represent it with this. What is the probability that inspection of 5 firms will find no violations, and B, what is the probability that the plan above will find 2 violations? Okay, so let me solve them here one by one and solving part A of my question, and we can very clearly see that all of these parts are basically related to the hypergeometric probability distribution. So let me first find that out of the 5 firms we will find no violation, mean no suspected firm will be selected. So therefore N is 5, and I want to find out what. Let me write here the total combinations which are from 20. We have to select 5 firms. Okay, in these 5 firms we have selected no suspected firms, so out of these 20, 3 were suspected, so 3 were suspected, and out of these 3 we will find none. Okay, the remaining ones will be 17, and from the 17 what will we get? We will get all the 5 firms. Okay, so this is what we have here. We can again very clearly see that 0 plus 5 is this 5. Okay, and also 3 plus 17 is 20. Okay, these should be here consistent. So writing them here, we will find what the answer of it will be: 0.399. Okay, and that is what, that is basically the solution of part A of my question. In part B, it is asking that what is the probability that the plan above will find 2 violations, means out of these 3 we will have 2 violations. So therefore we will have here what? We will have again the similar number of selections, which are from 20 we have to select 5, and out of 3 we will have now 2 violations. Okay, therefore the remaining total firms are 17, while the remaining ones here would be 3, because 2 are here and 3 are here. So finding them out, what we will get, let me solve them here as well for your convenience. It will be what? It will be the 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial, multiplied by 17 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 17 minus 3 is 14 factorial, whole divided by the 20 factorial divided by 5 factorial, multiplied by 20 minus 5 is 15 factorial. Okay, finding it answer. Similar operation has been done here as well. So finding the answer of it, what we will get? 0.132, and that is what? That is basically the solution of part B of my question. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have solved question 5.47 of the exercise. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.